Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to replace this Mazda 3 key fob battery used for 2019, 2020 and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Alright, so we will need a small flathead and obviously a replacement battery. First thing we do, we have to take the cover off. So we have this button right here, we'll pull it to the left and the piece comes off. Okay, now it may be hard for you at the beginning a little bit, but you just have to pull it. Okay, so once again this button right here and we pull the cover. Now we have to take this piece off. All right, so there is a small slot right here, okay, in between those two holes. So what I do, I just insert the screwdriver and I turn clockwise. Okay, once again let me show you, like this. Right here in between 1 and 2 there is a small hole, screwdriver, flathead, clockwise, it comes off. This is number 1, this is number 2. Now we have to take this piece. All right, so I'm sorry, this piece right here. As you can see, there is also a small spot right here, okay, in the middle. So I just insert the flathead and I pull up. You can use a bigger flathead if you want, okay, it may be easier for you. Whatever you do, do it gently, okay, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Once again, clockwise, and it comes off. Pretty easy. Let me show you again. Right here, okay, flathead, clockwise, 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 and it comes off. All right, now this is the third part. Keep things in order, it's gonna be easier for you. All right, now we have this part where we have the error, you see right here. So once again, small flathead and I just pull it up, okay, just like that, nothing too complicated here. And then we have the battery, as I said, CR2032. There is a small spot here and just it comes out. Okay, to put it back in, this is a good one, so I'll use it again. You slide it in and you press once again, right, 1, 2, out and back in, and press. Now we just have to put the things back. So the arrow, the cover, like this. There is a small piece here, it goes underneath and we press. 1, 2, we press the first cover with the logo. We put back and we press, tighten the cover. Now this piece, remember those two spots right here, 1 and 2. Here we go again. We have here 1 and 2, 1 and 2 goes to 1 and 2, and you press. Okay, pretty easy. Now the last cover, I'm sorry, and that's it, you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. You can check it to make sure that the light is on. Hope you like this video and let us know what you think.